Most sharks chase down their prey. This living fossil launches its entire jaw out of its face. Meet the goblin shark. Surviving in the pitch-black depths of the ocean for over 120 million years, this nightmare swimmer doesn't waste energy moving fast. When a fish gets close, electrical sensors on its long snout pinpoint the target in total darkness. Then, in less than a tenth of a second, its jaws unhinge and shoot forward like a catapult, snagging prey with needle-sharp teeth before snapping back inside its head. Its flabby, pink skin lacks pigment, letting you see the blood vessels right beneath the surface. No speed, no camouflage, just a living alien weapon lurking in the deep.